The joy of mindful eating, nutrition, and self-care. Hi everyone! What if I told you there's a simple practice that can revolutionize the way you eat, boost your health, and bring a sense of peace to your everyday life? Today, we're diving into a concept that does just that: mindful eating. So, let's talk about the joy of mindful eating, nutrition, and self-care. You might be wondering, what exactly is mindful eating? Mindful eating is the art of being fully present with your food. It's about savoring every bite: the taste, the texture, the aroma, without distractions. No phones, no TV, just you and your meal. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat. It's a shift from hurried, thoughtless meals to slowing down, truly savoring, and enjoying every moment of the experience. Here's the question you may be asking next: how does mindful eating connect nutrition and self-care? Mindful eating goes beyond filling your stomach. It's an act of love and respect for your body and mind. By eating mindfully, you naturally gravitate toward foods that nourish, energize, and uplift you. It's more than physical benefits. Mindful eating also reduces emotional and stress-related eating by promoting self-awareness. It teaches you to listen to your body, acknowledge your feelings, and respond with kindness. It's self-care disguised as mealtime. Now I want to talk about steps to practice mindful eating. Are you ready to transform the way you eat? Here's your step-by-step guide to start practicing mindful eating today. 1. Create a calm environment. Turn off your phone. Switch off the TV. Set the table like it's a special occasion, because it is. Your meal deserves your full attention. 2. Pause before eating. Take a deep breath. Look at your food. Smell it. Be thankful for it. This moment of gratitude can set the tone for the entire meal. 3. Engage your senses. Notice everything about your food: the vibrant colors, the enticing aroma, the intricate textures. Be curious, like it's your first time eating this dish. 4. Chew slowly and thoroughly. Think of each bite as an adventure. Savor the flavors. Feel the textures. Let your taste buds do the exploring. 5. Listen to your body. Learn to tune into your hunger and fullness signals. Eat when you're hungry. Stop when you're satisfied, not stuffed. Trust your body to guide you. Here's the exciting part: what happens when you start eating mindfully? 1. Your digestion improves because you're giving your body the time it needs to process food properly. 2. You'll enjoy your meals more. Yes, even the simplest dishes become satisfying experiences. 3. You'll naturally manage your weight because you're eating in harmony with your body's signals. 4. And here's the best part: your mental health gets a boost. Stress fades as you embrace a healthier, more positive relationship with food. Now, here's the secret to mindful eating: it's not a chore. It's a joy. When you slow down and truly enjoy your food, every meal becomes a moment of self-care and gratitude. It's about more than nourishing your body. It's about reconnecting with yourself. And in that connection, you'll find peace, fulfillment, and yes, even joy. In conclusion, mindful eating is a transformative practice that brings balance, gratitude, and joy into your life. The next time you sit down for a meal, take a moment to pause, breathe, and truly savor it. You'll be amazed at how different it feels. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe to Foods and Health TV for more life-changing tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.